Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video I will be explaining you one question from tree series of an interviewBit. So this question is basically we have given a binary tree A containing the n nodes and we have given one integer b. So what our task is? Our task is to find whether there exists a path, then what is the path from this root node of the tree to this node value 5 or node value b. Okay, so first one thing you should keep in mind in this question is there always exists path from the root to the node b which is given to us. Okay, so in this case what we have b equal to 5. So if we follow the path from root to this node number 5, then we found out one path as 1, 2 and 5. So this is our answer, so we need to return this as our answer. So this is the simple thing which we need to do in this question. It's pretty straightforward question, so I will directly jump into the code of it. What we have given this tree node root, okay, and an integer b. So what I did is I take one vector of integer that is solution, and I will store my answer in this solution variable, and I will at the end return this solution. Before returning, I will call this function call which is created by me. So in this I have taken input as the root node, the b, and the vector of integer solution. I have passed this as a reference because I will update my solution in this solution variable. Okay, suppose if we have the 2 as 1, 3, 7, 9, 2, 5 and 15. So if this is the binary tree which is given to us, and if we have given this, let's say if we need to find the path of, let's say not this, if we need to find the path of b is equal to 6. Okay, so in this case what we need to do, the first condition which we need to check is at each node, first condition we need to check is if this node is equal to the b or not. Okay, so this is the first condition check which we need to do. If this condition check fail, then we need to check the second condition which checks that whether this is a leaf node or not. Okay, if this also fails, then we have taken one solution vector, so we have to push the value to it. So I will push 1 onto our stack. So my stack will not stack, vector which will contain value 1. After that what we need to do, we need to check whether there is a left node or right node or both. Okay, so if there is a left node, we recursively call this on this left node, and left node again check that whether it is leaf node or it's equal to b or not. If it is not, then we will push this onto our vector. Likewise, when we are at 9 will stuck on this condition check that a to left is null and a to right is also null because this is a leaf node. So in this case we will simply need to return from here. So first thing you need to keep in mind is we will not push 9 onto this stack. Okay, so once this is done, what we need to do, we are returning from here, and when we are node 3, we will check that right node also exists, so we will push 2 onto the stack, and we will call this on 5. So 5 is a leaf node, so we will not push onto this stack. Again we will get back to this node number 2. Then after that we will call this right condition check, that is if right has also some node value or it's null. So it's not null, so we will check that a is at this location, so we will check a value is equal to b or not. So it's equal to b. So in this case what we need to do, we need to push this value b onto our vector. Okay, so we found out that this is our path, and we will simply return this path from here. Okay, likewise if there exists anything, suppose let's say if we are at if we need to find this 7, so in this case what it will do, it will pop the values one after another from the stack. Okay, see, it will not push 6 onto the stack because if we need to find 7 and 6 is the leaf, so it will backtrack. We will jump at 2, so we will check that if the last element is b or not. It's not b, so we'll again pop one element from the vector. We will again pop one element from the vector, and the vector will now contain 1, and after that we will check the right child, and it is 7 which we need to find in the next case, so it will push 7 onto this stack. So the path which we got is 1, 7 for this b equal to 7. So hope this is clear to you. This is pretty straightforward question which we use the vector push pop conditions. So hope this is clear. If it is not, then drop down the comment and I will help you. Thank you.